I actually think it's appropriate that my first trail video isn't from one of the better known spots of Germany or Europe, but rather from this haphazard collection of trails I connected between Eberswalde and Chorin in the state of Brandenburg. I think people in general know that there are a lot of great trails in Germany, but what this run shows is just how accessible it all is. Just 30 minutes on the train out of Berlin and you're running through the quiet forests and willows of Brandenburg. And I think that's true of just about anywhere in Germany. Hop on a train, wait about 15-30 minutes, hop off, and voila, you're on a hike. Nature is incredibly accessible, and it's one of the things I love most about living here. I've also become a believer that every trail has a story, and I think this one is no exception. Outside of Eberswalde, the trail runs alongside the Oder-Havel Canal before turning into the Plagefen Nature Preserve. This area was the site of a pre-military camp for children of the German Democratic Republic where they learned discipline and military readiness. All children of the 9th grade were required to undergo 2 weeks of pre-military training with wooden rifles. Fun camp, I guess? But it closed in 1990 after reunification and has since been demolished in 2008. It was also around here that the trail started turning into old raised cobblestones. These Pflasterstraßen, it's explained, have characterized the landscape for more than the past 300 years. One of the information posts says that, quote, "The old streets bear witness to the immense craftsmanship of our ancestors." We were able to follow these cobbled streets over to our goal, Kloster Chorin, a 13th century Gothic monastery. And such is the benefit of living in Germany. This stuff is right in your backyard. All you have to do, as the sign says, is follow the old streets of our ancestors.